So I never thought I would have to do a video like this. So since I started doing YouTube, I've always been vigilant about answering comments on my channel because I value the comments and the likes, and the least I can do is always try to interact with the viewers and respond to the comments, so on and so forth. Sometimes I'm successful and sometimes I'm not, especially now that the channel is getting a little bit bigger. You know, it used to be real easy to go through and answer every single comment. But as the channel grows, it's gotten harder and harder, but I still take the time to go through the comments and answer them. Now, in the beginning, when I had my channel, I noticed that I would get spam comments of people trying to lead you to porn sites, okay? And I would always go in there and remove the comment and report it to YouTube, yada, yada, yada. Well, here recently, about 2 to 3 weeks ago, I started getting these messages where it was showing up as Telegram. And I'm getting ready to put a picture in so you can see this comment, okay? This here is a completely different animal because it was someone impersonating me, telling you, the viewer, that you had won something from my channel. And I was completely clueless to the fact. And so then I started getting bombarded with emails, people asking what they had won and all of this and that. So I just quit answering comments, and then I got a really interesting email. Yeah. So I'm at work one day and I get an email from someone saying that they're from a local police department here in my area, saying that they have information about my channel. Well, my first thought is, okay, this is another scam. So I actually looked up the police officer's name, which I'm not going to mention him or the actual police department itself. Thank you once again. You know who you are for reaching out to me. But anyways, so I looked into it and everything was legit, you know. So after work, I picked up the phone, made a phone call to him. We had a great conversation. And basically, what this scam is this particular person is getting you to go to Telegram to get you, the viewer, to send them $100 for shipping on a prize that I supposedly am going to give you. And it's not me. And so anyways, went through the whole deal. This police officer was nice enough to investigate it, because he seen what was going on, went through the whole cycle of events, and yeah, he even paid the money to see where it was going. He thought it was me. He's been watching the channel for a very long time, since pretty much the beginning, which I think is really cool. And yeah, so once he started investigating this spam account, he realized that it was overseas, found out more information about the person, and they started having interactions back and forth, and the guy's imitating me in the conversation. Well, he lets him know, look, I know that this is a scam, I know who you are, I know where you're at, so on and so forth. And believe it or not, the next day that guy had put that money back into the police officer's account, because he realized he was on the cusp of getting in big trouble. So here's the thing. This is from Andy and from David Vizard. You know, he's been in my videos. If we're going to do a giveaway, we will make sure that it is announced in a video. And when I answer comments, you may notice that I always put my name. Most of the time I do that. Sometimes I don't. But from here on out, every comment that I make, personally on my page, on my YouTube channel, I'm going to put Andy underneath it. That way you know that it's me. Now, the spammers may figure out a way to get around that. I don't know. But the thing about it is, I'm making this video because we live in a day and time where scams are everywhere in this country and around the world. People are always trying to take advantage of other people, and I'm letting you know so that you don't fall into that trap thinking, oh, Andy is going to send me something for free. I've just got to send him $100. You know, no, I'm not going to ask you for any money on this channel to send me. Now, if you donate something on Super Thanks, or if you do a live chat and you donate money that way, that's different. I'm not asking for that money, but we greatly appreciate it because it helps the channel grow and I can do things channel related. But you're never going to hear me say, send me money so I can send you a gift. And I think it's important to make this video because I don't want anyone being taken advantage of and running Unity Motorsports Garage name into the ground. And the same thing goes with David Vizard. If we do a giveaway, you will know it is from us. Like David has mentioned in his channel, he's going to give away some autographed books. More will be revealed on that in the future. But just so you know, viewer beware. It's sad that it's had to come to this, but I want you to know that I appreciate each and every one of you. And we've got some really cool things coming up for 2023. Got Project Mission Impossible here from Uncle Tony's Garage. You're going to see a video on us dissecting the carburetor to find out where the restriction is in it. You're going to be seeing Casper run. Yes, I said that right. Casper is going to be running. There's a lot of exciting things coming up. A lot of races I'm going to be going to and attending. And I'm excited to see what 2023 holds for Unity Motorsports Garage and David Vizard as well, because we're into this journey together. So if you're not subscribed to his channel, make sure you go over there and sub to him as well, because he's got a lot of Project Mission Impossible video content coming up that's going to be different than what you see here on my channel. We're going to mix it up that way that you get specific content that's David related, and you're going to get specific content that's Andy related. With that, and from the bottom of my heart, from the Wood family, we want to wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year, and we will see you in 2023. Catch you later.